So in the previous video, I was showing you how to create an etiqueta, and we wanted to add a game, and so we're going to word wall. I don't know if you know this page. You search in community. There are already many games already prepared, and I choose this one with horses and parts of the body. But look, I don't like the layout very much because the pictures are, and I don't want them to have to drag things. So here you can change the format. I will choose it as a quiz, and I like it better like this, in which they choose the correct option. You can do it here, this in the classroom, okay? So once I have chosen the game I want, I'll go to share, and I'm going to get the embed link. I don't want to share it as a link, but I want for the kids to see the game there in Alexia. So I choose here where it says embed on your own website. I'm going to choose that I want to make sure it is in English, so that the instructions are in English, and then I copy this long link. Once I have it, I go back to the etiquette I'm creating. I'm going to put let's play a game. I'm going to enlarge this. I'm going to change the color and make it bigger. All right. Okay, now that I have it here, this is the button I have to press, the one that says enlace. And I copy here, I paste all that long link that I click, and I put crear enlace, and I will see it here, right? If, look, I save changes and regresar al curso, I will be able to see it. Okay, so now I have the video, the worksheet, and the quiz. So we have seen how to insert a video, how to write the text, to insert a photo, to insert a game, all right? Remember that I said that in order to create something, you can either use the módulo rápido and you create the etiqueta here, or you can create, or instead of this, you could use here, añadir una actividad o recurso, and you have a big menu of things you can use. One day, if you're interested, I can show you how to create things here. But basically, with what we're doing right now with the etiqueta, we are fine, all right? Let me see. What else do you need to know? Okay, so I have Monday, and this is done. What I need to, suppose I will make another etiqueta for Tuesday, and well, it's the same. Here I write, I'm going to use the plantilla I'm going to use here, organizar, encabezado principal. I'm going to choose the same color. I put insert, and I put here Tuesday, August, I don't even know what, 17th, and here I put Tuesday. And basically it's the same. Here you write all the instructions. Today we are going to work with, all right? All right, and that's that. So remember, you click here to insert an image. You click here enlace to insert somebody, to insert something. Sorry, it's here to insert a video. All right. Well, let me know if you have any questions. But basically, as you can see, it's quite easy, let's say, to create etiquetas, all right? Thank you.